Alright, this is how you fix your WordPress internal linking strategy with AI. So let's just say you're using Webflow or whatever CMS system you're using. Doesn't matter even if you're using WordPress. So this is how you internal link. So let's just say this is my domain, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type here sitemap slash index. Let me just type it right here. So you want to take this, copy this sitemap. If you're using RankMath SEO or Aos SEO, if you enable any plugin, this is the website. Otherwise, it's just gonna be sitemap.xml. So since I'm using RankMath plugin, this is my sitemap address. Going to the RWOW AI. By the way, if you want to automate your SEO blog articles, the link will be in the description, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So go into the RWOWai.com, and this is a SEO AI agent with AI SEO Writer. And we have many tools right here. Example, we even have the LLM brand monitor and tracking. So let it load. Okay, we have got the LLM brand monitor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the click on articles, and here go to, okay, let me go into the overview. So let me go into the overview, and here go into the view all, and inside the view all we have got the inputs and generation. Now inputs is a wait list. You can click on generate article by adding the keywords, and here generations is whatever the generate article you have generated, it will appear right here. Go into the inputs, click on edit, go into the edit input, and here go to the, and here you can add the sitemap. So as you can see, sitemaps, it is asking me. I can also find the sitemap if you don't know how to find the sitemap. So we have got the sitemap post XML, and I can also add some patterns filters. So let me just remove this. I will just add this one, and I can also add more sitemaps, individual sitemaps, or test and preview links. So let me just click on test and preview links. So let's just wait. Okay, we have got everything. So let me just go back. That is how you add automatic internal linking strategy with AI. So whatever the articles you produce here, it will be it takes a sitemap into consideration and internal links automatically with the relevant articles.